Gonna be working on a parrot today, and my reference is a little more realistic, and I want to go a little abstract on him. So hang around, and hopefully I can share some techniques with you that might help you on your art journey. Okay, thanks, and we'll see you in a bit. If I start off my paintings with loose brush strokes, it frees me from that perfection that we think we need to tackle it from the very beginning of our project. It allows me to be more expressive, and it allows the colors and the shapes to take form. And then gradually, it would allow you to develop that calm state of mind that you need to be in when you start the details. It's a much easier flow. When I learned this technique, it elevated my art to a different level, and I am so happy that I have discovered that, and I wanted to share that with you. And so now here, I am working on the detail, and now I am very calm. I am very relaxed and enjoying my project because it actually is turning out very good to my eye, and I'm very pleased. But I'm not worried about the imperfections that are on there right now because gradually I'm going to start developing them. If you notice on his feet are a little slightly too large, but I'm not caring about that. I kind of work at it slowly because I know that he is actually in good proportion, and I'm allowing that inner self to just take over. Sometimes we're a little too hard on ourselves, and it makes things a little more complicated. And then it turns out that we sort of feel that, oh my goodness, maybe I'm not an artist. Maybe I'm not as good as I thought I was. Well, don't let that negativity kick in, okay? Believe me, I've been there, and it didn't do me any good because one day I woke up and I had a breaking point to where, wow, I thought, how did this happen? Well, it's all because you practice and you practice. So I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the painting. And just by seeing the brush strokes, you can kind of get the idea. And this is oil paint, okay? So enjoy. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.